you avoid calling on someone that may be in an area that is going through a national emergency?
No, because I don't waste anybody's time with my sales process. And here's what I found. When I start to play good market, good time, bad time, national emergency, not a national emergency, man, they're in LA and there's a fire right now, I probably shouldn't call them. That's a hard way of saying it, slippery slope, right? If Bruce, my main man, I see Bruce Peters there, I love that guy. So Bruce sits there and tries to decide whether or not he should call somebody. It's a bad habit for Bruce to start, because now Bruce is going to start second guessing calls. Now the next thing he's going to start to do is go, is this the wrong time of day? So I would just trust your process. If there's something about your sales process where you're like, God, I really don't want to call them with this, maybe we need to change the messaging. I know your messaging is awesome, Stacy, so I call. Worst case, they don't have to answer and they don't have to call you back. But I would just proceed as scheduled. And then you've always got the backup if they're like, man, we're right in the middle of Palisades. We're dealing with fire all around us. Sounds like not a good time to talk. I'll reach out to you here mid-February if I haven't heard from you before then. Anything you need from me, guys, on any way I can support you with the situation that you're in right now, deal me in. Right? Now you're cool. Just be, rational if they're in a problem. The problem is that leads to, it's New Year's Eve, I don't want to call anybody. I closed 3 deals on that day. Just trust your process, work your process. I think you're okay.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.